Today I want to clearly explain what 7 billion actually does and what we deliver in tangible terms. Most companies don't have a data problem, they have a decision problem. They have dashboards, reports, ERP, CRM, spreadsheets. But when a real decision shows up, what to produce, what to ship, which SKU to push, where money is leaking, the answer is still gut feel. The gap is exactly where 7 billion works. We don't build dashboards. We don't sell tools, we build decision systems. A decision system doesn't tell you what happens last month, it tells you what to do next. Next week, next shipment, next production run, everything we do falls into 4 areas. First, demand and commercial decision. Here we help business understand what the market will actually ask for, SKU by SKU, location by location, not high level forecast but actual actionable demand signals. For an FMCG company with hundreds of SKU, we built a system that delivers a daily list telling sales team exactly which SKU to push to which distributor. That directly increases SKU penetration and unlocks the revenue without adding new product. Second, supply chain and cost decisions. This is about optimizing how things move in the real world, trucks, route and warehouses. We use math and optimization to decide the best way to run operation under real constraints. For a manufacturing client, we deliver a truckload optimization system that creates a load plan in seconds while respecting queue, weight, axle limit and delivery priorities. That reduces logistics cost and improves truck utilization immediately. Third is planning and execution decision. This answers a hard internal question: what to produce, when to produce and in what sequence without chaos. For a food manufacturer, we replace spreadsheet based weekly planning with a planning engine that generates multiple feasible plans and explain trade-offs before execution. Planning with time drop, service level improve and firefighting reduce dramatically. Finally, leadership and strategic decisions. Here we bring everything into single decision view for leadership, so leaders can test scenarios and see downstream impact before committing money. Instead of debates and delays, decisions happen faster and with clarity. What we deliver is not advice or slide. We deliver working system, forecasting engine, optimization model, planning system and decision cockpit that team uses every day. 7 billion sits between your data and your operations as a decision layer. If your business runs on complex decisions and thin margins, we help you in stop guessing and start deciding.